Howdy y'all, let's check out the High Key Club Lounge at the Disneyland Hotel. The High Key Club is located on the 11th floor of the Adventure Tower at the Disneyland Hotel. It was designed to celebrate the music and sounds from throughout the Disneyland park's history. This replaced the old e-ticket lounge, which only had enough room for around 30 guests at a time. This new space replaced the Fairy Tales suite and now can accommodate around 100. Speaking of 100, we're giving away a $100 Amazon gift card to a random subscriber who comments on our new videos. Please subscribe and leave a comment to enter. The rules are linked in the description. Good luck! As soon as we walked in, they had pin trading right here at the entrance desk. You'll also find all kinds of drinks and snacks throughout the day, including beer and wine for the adults, and unlimited Mickey ice cream bars. You'll probably need to ask a cast member for alcohol or cold treats, but they're all included. There's a large serving area here for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We caught them between meals, but there's an amazing display here to check out instead. Here on the walls, you'll find replica hats from the original marching band and Dapper Dans on opening day, along with photos and plaques. The opposite wall was one of my favorites. These chimes are the actual sound effect for Tinker Bell. Plus Goofy's Jalopy.
Well, I brought you down safe and sound.
And the wood blocks for the Small World clock. This bow and string makes the frog's croaking noise from the wind in the willows and from most of the Disney frogs ever since. And this tube was used to make the sound for Buzz Buzz, later known as Spike the Bee. There's a mixture of replica artifacts alongside real ones, but it can be tricky to find out which is which. The music staff on the ceiling leads to chandeliers made of old vinyl records and microphones. The labels on the vinyls say they include music from Disneyland, but these are actually just replicas. But do you know what is real? These metal discs. They include original music that was used inside Disneyland using a Regina music player machine. These discs are actually from Walt Disney's personal collection that he kept in the fire station above Main Street inside Disneyland. There are several seating options right next to the windows where you can enjoy the view or even watch the fireworks after dark. And there are also 8 booths on the opposite wall, each with power and USB outlets. But we have to talk about this mural. This is incredible. There are 20 different references to Disney music from 1955 through today, and there are so many secrets hidden in the artwork. Each section of the music notes displays actual sheet music. Now excuse my beginner level piano skills, but this one is When You Wish Upon a Star from Pinocchio. And Let's Get Together from The Parent Trap. You might recognize this one from the Tiki Room. And Pirates of the Caribbean. This one is Hello Everybody from the Golden Horseshoe Review. And finally, Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious from Mary Poppins. And if you want even more music, we have a huge catalog of songs to download on our website, and they're all free for another day or two through the end of 2025. Visit ridetheteacups.com and click on the Tunes app to get yours. And check out this mural of the Sherman brothers, Richard and Robert, or as Walt Disney referred to him, Dick. He has the D in his ear, and Robert has the R for his ear. You eagle-eyed viewers out there might also be able to find 3 hidden Mickeys here too. And yes, I'm about to spoil them, so skip ahead around 15 seconds if you don't want to know. And I'm stalling so you have time to skip ahead, and I'm stalling. All right, here we go. The first is here in the puff of smoke on the train. You'll also find one inside the bud of the Tiki Room flower. And finally, you knew there had to be one here with all the dots. It's here on the sleeve. Welcome back to everybody who skipped ahead. There's only a couple things left to show off here. You already know that the High Key Club is celebrating music, but the nods extend even into the furniture itself. Look at the lines and circles in the carpet. It evokes ideas of more music, and that extends into the couches and matching circle pillows. Finally, there's a great corner here in the back for kids. They have their own seating area and a TV to watch cartoons. And look, even the high chairs have hidden Mickeys. You'll need to reserve a club-level room or a suite to use this space, and that's generally several $100s higher than the regular room cost per night. Book your stay through Getaway today using our link in the description or by calling 855-GETAWAY and telling them Ride the Teacups sent you to unlock a bonus discount on your package. And our discount stacks on top of their other deals, discounts, and coupons too. Take a look. This was such an incredible visit. Thanks so much to the Disneyland Hotel for showing us around. Up next, take a tour of the entire Disneyland Hotel with us. Or see what Goofy's Kitchen is cooking up. It's right here in the hotel too. Thanks for watching. We love you, and we'll see you next time we ride the Teacups. Later, y'all.